Hey,
Hey,
this is you.
and she's thin.
We're here to plug our first album, which is entitled Petic
Petic
Mode.
Mode.
I hope you grab a copy of it with your favorite
Record bar.
Huwag ka magano dyan, favorite record bars.
Nationwide.
Yeah.
Worldwide, actually.
Correct.
Mhm.
Pwedeng meron nun sa US, sa
Mhm.
UK, kung saan-saan pa. Yes, naiintindihan nila tayo. So, let's ask some of the of the people who have listened to our
First single.
first single, as well as for the second and the third.
Right.
We have compilations of those, so let's hear from them. Let's go. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Grace.
Gara? Oh, so you're the sweetest. Napanood mo ba yung first
Oo
video
naman.
namin for our first single?
Oo
Anong
naman.
title?
Bigyan?
Hindi yun. Hindi ba yun? Hindi ba yun ang first single? Yung first namin, ano,
Ano, we could be in love. Ayun, we could be in love.
alam mo, fan ka
Sikat na
talaga
sikat
namin.
tayo.
Okay, maganda ba? Did you love it? How about the second? Yun na yung Please Be Careful.
Mas maganda yun.
Mas maganda. Yung bakit ngayon ka lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang, hindi nyo type. Type pa naman namin yung bakit ngayon ka lang. Papakita namin yung video, ha?
Thank you.
Wait lang, wait ko lang, hindi mo kami nakita. Miss, excuse me. Miss, excuse me. Yeah, excuse me.
Yes, ako nga pala si Tin. It's just you. Have you seen our music video, like our for our album, Petix Mode? Did you buy a copy of it already?
No.
No, you didn't? But have you heard about the song?
Are you those guys?
You're a freak. We don't want to.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Tin, and this is Yo.
Hi.
Can you really ask questions?
Yes.
Were you able to... Wala kaming pakalam sa kanya. Hindi naman siya. Clark, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Clark.
Yeah.
Happy birthday. Yay, clap, clap. Woo! Kami niwala din. Excuse me, back to our interview.
Okay.
Ba't ba ako nakamike? Yung pala. Napakita mo naman yung first single namin.
Ano yun? Yung pangalawa ng record.
Oo nga pala. Yung pangalawa namin single, yung
Oo.
Please Be Careful. Ano
Yeah.
masasabi mo?
Maganda yung version. Medyo unique siya. And,
Ay, what's your name pala?
Geneva.
Okay.
Yun, maganda yung version niya.
The freak is here. Oh my God, the freak is here. But she doesn't know what our album was.
We're these
So,
people.
hello, kamusta ka naman?
Yun, yun
We
lang.
are. Alright.
Nice
And then,
naman siya.
yung third namin, yung OPM, so maganda ba siya sa tingin mo?
Bakit mo yung kalma? Maganda rin siya, kaya lang parang may maligalig na tumatawang babae sa dulo.
Parang kilala ko yun, ikaw yun eh.
Kayo po tumatawa.
Kasi nag-comment ka, ayun ay may gwapo dun tayo.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
you, Geneva.
Hey, you're on video. Can we ask some questions?
What's your name?
I'm Ken.
Hi Ken. Did you hear about our first single, the one If We Could Be in Love?
No.
You were there. Hello, nasa likod ka ng video namin, papakita namin sa'yo. We Could Be in Love, yung kinanta namin sa floor sa RCBC. Hello.
Nakalimutan ko na.
May video kami. Nasa kwenta, ang gapo-gapo mo, tapos hindi mo alam.
Napaya na tayo, ha?
Ano yung title?
We could be in love all my I have... Sumasayo pa nga sa yung gano'n.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Hindi mo ba rin alam yun? Narinig mo na yung second namin, na single.
Ano?
Alika na, wag na tayo dyan.
Thank you. Salamat ka, Kitke. Na-miss mo ako, oh?
Yeah.
Good.
Ikaw naman mag-video kanina pa.
Hindi, sige, ikaw na ng friend. Juries.
Hi, what's your name? My name? Ano ba? Saan ba yung camera? What's your name? Rebecca Babajiba.
Narinig mo ba yung first single namin?
Ano yun?
Yung We Could Be in Love.
Pwede pakiulit, di ko narinig.
Yung second na lang. Napanood mo, narinig mo ba yung second namin na single?
Ay, yeah.
Ano masasabi mo?
Okay lang. Kayo ba yung kumanta?
Oo, kami.
Kayo pala.
Kami nag-interview ngayon.
Akala ko si Jano.
Wow, we're so
Wow.
thank you. Masaya ba? Okay ba?
Anong language yung ginamit ni Sean?
Actually, Spanish, Curva, Germany, Curva.
Oh, I see.
Thank
So I
you for your,
understand very
thank you
well.
for your
Hindi ka album namin, Bit, ah.
Yeah,
Thank you.
sure.
Thanks. May comment ka ba? Hello, Miss. Naka-video ka po. Narinig ko ba yung second single namin? Single ba kayo? May single ba kayo? Oo, meron. Yung yung kinita namin kanina, di ba nasa harapan mo lang kami? Nakakainis ka, di ba makikinig? Nakakainis, nakakainis ka na eh. Kata ba yun? Akala ko kasi tumutula lang ka kanina. Alam mo, let's move to the next interview. Hi, you're on camera. Come on. Hello. I know your name, you're friendly, and you look hot. You're so hot. Narinig mo ba yung single namin?
Single niyo, oo.
Yung
ang dami
second.
niyo nga dun eh. Ang dami yung kanta eh.
Ang dami, di ba? Ano yung una? Alam mo yan. Katabi ka namin, walang yan.
Ang dami yung kinanta.
Please be careful.
Please be careful.
Maganda?
Maganda.
Talaga?
Maganda yung version mo.
Talaga? Sino kami?
Kayo.
Sino nga? Ang pangalan namin? Tom and Jerry. Ay, pangalan namin!
My friend, hindi mo kami kilala?
Ang pangalan namin!
Si Yo, tsaka si si Tintin. Ano kasi Tim.
Siyempre, kailangan may kiss. Kailangan may kiss. Friend, oh. Artista tayo, ow!
Ako pala yan.
Ang sakit,
Alright.
friend. Yeah? Ano yun? Tama na
Ay,
yun.
ko naman.
Tama naman. Kiss tayo.
Siyempre.
Ang sarap.
Hi.
What's your name?
Jojo.
Ang lalim ng ball.
Di ba special participant ka namin kanina sa Bakit Ngayon Ka Lang? Ano mo sabi mo sa...
It was great.
It was? You
Yes.
did? Because you participated, you did?
I was there.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thanks.
welcome. Dito na tayo kipit na.
Tapos na, be.
Dito naman tayo sa art director natin. Hey, Echo!
Art director mo ba yan?
Yeah. Hoy, Echo, humarap ka dito. Cellphone mo to. Ano masasabi mo sa album namin?
The band.
Siyempre, ikaw art director eh.
Number one.
Director, producer.
Okay.
Number
So,
one.
kanina, natutulog ka dito nung nagre-record.
Konsentido.
No? Maganda ba?
Oo, nakatulog na ako eh. Saganda.
Oy, ito pa. Sige, salamat ah. Ito. Jeff, hi. Narinig ba yung ganda namin? Malatulog ka rin eh. Ano masasabi mo sa...
Nakatulog na ako.
Hindi tayo napansin. Pero maganda ba? Ah? Narinig na, galing.
Hindi yung first name.
Hindi, second na yun. Third na nga pala.
Yung third na yun.
Yung second namin, please be careful. Tapos yung first namin, we could be in love. Buy ka ng copy of Petex mo.
Sure.
Panoorin nyo sa YouTube, nandun yun.
Sure.
Thank
Laban
you.
libreng pili niya.
Ha? Papagawa namin sa director namin, ha? A game. So, ano masasabi mo, yo?
Saya? Wrap up na ba?
Nakakapagod, pero... Well, guys, don't forget to watch sa YouTube. Ano ang title natin? Hindi pa namin alam ang title, pero malamang nasa Petex mode yun. So, watch lang kayo. Ayun yung post namin. Bye!